Solving Polynomial Equations by Siruma Christian J., Satoru Sander Bernard, and Senen Cyrus Jerwin. What is a polynomial equation? A polynomial equation is an equation where a polynomial is set equal to 0. It is an equation formed with variables, non-negative integral exponents, and coefficient together with operations and equal sign. It has different exponents, the highest one given the degree of equation. Solving polynomial equations. Example number 1. 2x minus 5 equals 3x plus 4 by linear equation. So, ang ato buhaton kay i-transfer na to ang second number to the right side. So, ang mahitabo na kay negative 5, negative 4 equals 3x minus 2x. Anira na, negative 5 plus negative 4 equals negative 9. So, 9 equals x na. Pangitaon man tong x, so x equals negative 9. Okay, so karon checking na ta kay ganiha process of solution man to. So 2x minus 5 equals 3x plus 4. Ganiha na, kita naman ta sa atong x. So may tabo aron kay 2 negative 9 minus 5 equals 3 negative 9 plus 4. 2 times 9, 18. Kapi lang natong kuan negative 5 equals 3 times 9, 27. Himo gihapon negative 27 plus 4. I-add ra nato. 18 plus 5 negative 23. 27 plus 4 23. So mo na nato kuan. Answer, negative 23 equals negative 23.
Example number 6. X cubed minus 27 equals 0. This is a cubic equation because the highest exponent of the equation is 3 and can be cubed. We'll use factoring, then completing the square. We'll use factoring difference of two cubes. We will first focus on how to get x minus 3. To apply factoring difference of two cubes, we will first put open bracket, then find the cube root of the first term. From x cubed to x. Then, find the cube root of the second term, from negative 27 to negative 3. Then put closed parentheses. Put them together, x minus 3. In case you're wondering on how to find the cube root, first find a number that can multiply to itself 3 times. And in this case, it's negative 3. Negative 3 times negative 3 equals positive 9. And positive 9 times negative 3 equals negative 27. It's just negative 3 times negative 3 times negative 3. Now, we will focus on finding x squared plus 3x plus 9. To do that, we will use x minus 3 as our base. First, put an open parenthesis, then square the first term from x to x squared. Then multiply the first term and the second term. Then always multiply it by negative. So x times negative 3 is equals to negative 3x. Then multiply it by negative, which becomes positive 3x. Because negative times negative is positive. And finally, square the last term from negative 3 plus 2 positive 9. Next, we will apply zero product property. We will look at x minus 3 times x squared plus 3x plus 9. To do zero product property, we will follow the formula a times b equals 0, then a equals 0 or b equals 0. A is x minus 3 and b is x squared plus 3x plus 9. Together, x minus 3 times x squared plus 3x plus a equals 0. Then x minus 3 equals 0, or x squared plus 3x plus 9 equals 0. It's like putting equals 0 to both sides. Number 4. 4x squared plus 8 equals 16x. Quadratic equation use completing the square. Process solutions. 4x squared plus 12 equals 16x. Firstly, we will simplify the equation. 4x squared over 4 plus 12 over 4 equals 16x over 4. 4x squared divided by 4 is x squared. 12 divided by 4 equals 3. 16x divided by 4 equals 4x. After that, we will express in standard form. To transform it into the standard form, we will follow the formula ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. Firstly, transpose 4x to the left to equal it to 0. After that, we'll arrange it into the standard form. Ax squared is x squared plus bx is negative 4x plus c, which is 3, equals to 0. Then get 1/2 of b, then square. b is negative 4x, so negative 4 divided by 2 is 2. Then 2 to the power of 2 is 4. After, add 4 to both sides of the equation. X squared divided by 4x plus 4 equals negative 3 plus 4. Then factoring perfect square trinomials. To factor perfect square trinomials, we must first square the first term and the last term and follow the sign at the middle. Square root of x squared is x. Square root of 4 is 2, and copy the sign in the middle, which is negative. After that, we'll apply square root property by squaring and transposing it to the right, which makes x equals 2 plus or minus 1. 2 plus 1 is 3, 2 minus 1 is 1. Next, transpose c or constant to the right, which makes x squared minus 4x equals negative 3. Next, transpose c or constant to the right, which makes x squared minus 4x equals negative 3.
We have example and polynomial equation. We have x cubed plus 3x squared minus 4x minus 12 equals 0. X cubed, we will divide to x squared. First, we will put x and we will divide x squared divided by x 3x squared. We'll put plus 3. Next, we will put negative 4. We'll put x. We will do negative 12 divided by negative 4x. We'll put 3 plus 3 equals 0. We'll put x plus 3 x equals to x squared. negative 4 equals 0. We're not yet done yet. We can factor the x squared minus 4. We have x plus 3. We have x plus 2 or x minus 2 or equals 0. We can set this factor. We have x plus 3 equals 0, x plus 2 equals 0, x equals 2 minus 0. This is the final answer. We have x equals negative 3, x negative 2, x positive 2.